y'all, welcome back to another vlog. Today is October the 11th. I have been filming like crazy. 2 videos today. I did an unboxing on my new iPhone. Y'all know I had to get a new iPhone. If y'all been following me since day one, y'all already know how I am. If y'all been following me for a while, y'all know I am an Apple lover. Transfer, I think I am gonna have to go and mess with a lot of things to make sure you know, everything is everything before I send my phone in, because I am gonna have to send in my iPhone 12 Pro Max, because I do have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. With that being said, I do have a really quick haul. I didn't want to do a sit down video on these particular items because I just didn't. For a bag, you all. So let's start off with the small things first. I purchased this, you all. Sephora has put out a lot of their holiday sets, and I love holiday sets, you all, because that's value for your money when it comes to holiday sets. This here is the Tarte lip set. If you didn't know, these here lips by themselves, I think they like $25, or they under 25. I link everything down below that I mentioned, because it's not a lot, so I'm sure I can remember to link. These are already paid for, so you getting 2 extra for free, because like I said, purchasing 2 is going to run you like $40. So when they say you get 2 free, you do. I tell you, I love these here juicy lips. Separate these and give these as gifts, because of the fact that on the back, if you can see, put like to me, from me type of gift. So these are cute stocking stuffers if you have little girls, or if you want to give them to girlfriends, moms, sisters, or whoever. So yeah, I highly recommend taking advantage of the Sephora Christmas stuff, because y'all, they have a lot of good stuff. Like, I did get this here. Let me show you the colors. I think I can swatch them for you all, because I have a tissue right here. It's always a mess. If I was to turn this camera around, y'all gonna be like, oh my gosh. Is this color? Reminds you of like a high gloss lip balm. I don't think I'm gonna do any lip swatches, you all. This hair color is cranberry. This hair color is, this one is ginger. Just the push out product. So yeah, here is the color ginger. I did have to swatch it a few times, so just keep that in mind. Meant to be like lipsticks. So it says full coverage lipstick. It says full coverage, but for me, I will have to apply it a few times just for it to show on my particular skin. I didn't mind, because I can throw this in my bag. It's Cherry Blossom. Ooh, color. Ooh. So here is Cherry Blossom. I don't know, for some reason I thought Cherry Blossom was going to be like a red color. Ooh, it feels amazing on the lips, you. Oh, you do get a little tingling, and that's because they are lip plump. So it's a little tingle, but y'all, it's not like Too Faced. Because if y'all know anything about plumping, if y'all know anything about Too Faced, you know their lip plumpers are whoo. Here is the last color, which is Rose. More of an actual lipstick. Ooh, I like that Cherry Blossom. And why is this in gold packaging? I think this is in gold packaging because it's an actual lipstick. You can take these and go, and you don't have, with these, you don't have to really worry about a lip liner, wearing a lip liner. So if I throw these in my purse, I probably most likely would throw in a lip liner. My next item that I purchased was the lip, what is that? I think this is Gwen Stefani. This is one of those Lady Gaga, somebody. I think Gwen Stefani. I don't know, you all, but this hair is in the color All My Love. and like a little darker color, y'all. When I tell you, ooh, it smells like cupcakes. Person that would stick with one color, and I have a whole drawer full of lips. So here is, what is it called? All My Love right here, and it smells like cupcakes. Ooh, it's like a mauve color on me. I didn't want to put on too much because I already have stuff on. Ooh, it's so juicy. Where I got it? Ooh, juicy. I don't know what I'm gonna do with myself, y'all, if I buy another lip product. But yeah. Then last of the lips, I had to purchase this, you all, because look at how cute this packaging is by Tatcha. When I tell you this is the cutest packaging, and I am out. I think one good scoop, I am done. So because of the packaging, you all, like how cute. And it's like a plum. This is, what is this called? This is plum blossom. These here lips that's in like jars like this, particular lips I usually keep in my bathroom. So I do have a backup. I do have Laneige, like the original Laneige in the mango, and then I have this. Keep these in my bathroom for when I get out of the shower. Last but not least, you all, I did purchase my very first advent calendar. It's $85, but of course, you know, I work for Sephora, so yeah, I wanted to purchase this because I was thinking of doing like a unboxing of each item and showcase it on my Instagram. 25 days, I was thinking of I probably would do this before Christmas. Not 100% sure, but I'm thinking about doing this before Christmas if I decide to keep it. I probably will, because like I said, I did get it at a good price. Link everything down below, because I flyer that we're passing out, and I noticed that is another sale coming. So I will, like I said, link everything down below so you can take advantage during that particular sale. Rouge get first dibs. I think Rouge starts October 28th. VIB starts in November. Rouge, a lot of this stuff, probably by the time VIB get to it, a lot of stuff can be sold out. Take advantage of during the sale. Well, not during the sale, but just take advantage of some things before the actual sale starts, because I know y'all gonna buy everything out. Yeah, this is something cute that you can give to your daughters. Maybe I can get something like this, maybe get another one for my daughter and let her have her own little stuff. She can actually save hers for Christmas or close to Christmas, because it's 25 days and it's a bonus. Let me see if I can open it so I can show you. So here's the inside of it, just in case you wanted to see. It has 25 days plus a bonus, which is nice. I think it's like one full-size item. Here's everything. I'm not going to show you what's in it. You can go online and see. Show you, because like I said, I wanted to do like a unboxing of each item and share on my Instagram. I got the idea from a Sephora friend, so thanks, girl. So now, so like I said here, I didn't mention this is my new iPhone, so I need to finish setting that up, and I wanted to take some pictures. Oh, let me share with y'all really quick, honey. Film one unboxing, you all. If y'all don't know, I am a cereal buyer. Like, I'm that kind of person. They have it in blue or red. I want all the colors. This, only certain things, not everything, but certain things like this. I did showcase the black already. This black is freaking cute. Oh, this is where some of my stuff went at. When I tell you this black is cute, like cute. I love the black. I had to get this one. And I want to get the last color, which is a cream color. So I'm looking to get that. My daughter to carry these, because I just feel like they are so convenient when you're out, like a belt bag, y'all. Do you see this bag? This bag is so freaking cute. And this here is a little bigger than the original belt bag that work at Lululemon. She came in to go shopping. When I tell you, this whole back row was full of lip products, and I was like, okay, I love lips like I do. Like the whole back was full of lips. Like she had it. So this here holds a lot, you all, and I love Lululemon belt bags. Do you see how cute that brown is? Like especially when you're wearing like a winter color. And these are also cute over a jacket or coat. Yeah, I had to share this with y'all really quick. So I would make sure I link these down below because I'm telling you, they go so fast. I'll just throw some stuff in here so you can see really quick. I love to throw the stuff in my bag so y'all can really see. I'm gonna just throw all these hair lip products. And my Gucci. Mirror for her like so. So yeah, this is the bag with stuff in it. And if I didn't mention, these do cost a little more than the original belt bags, but in my opinion, they are worth it. Don't buy that Amazon dupe. Go get the Lulu bag because it's so much better, like so much better. And then you do have a back zipper pocket. So yeah, I did just do an unboxing on this here bag. I decided I'm gonna give this to my mom for her birthday. It's a bag and she would really appreciate it because I still have bags that I haven't used. My original bags from Louis Vuitton and Gucci. So I was like, I don't need to keep this. Like I said, I do like the bag. The quality is 100% to me. Gift this to my mom for her birthday. So she's excited, enjoy it. So happy to get the bum bag. So like I said, I will request if they send me, you know, if they ask me to do reviews, I don't mind sharing, you know, because like I said, I just wanted to switch it up here on my channel. My Sephora friends, she did my hair. We did film it, but I have to get around to editing everything, you all. Having my desktop to edit, sometimes I don't feel like sitting at my desk all the time. So I was looking to purchase a laptop, but I'm gonna have to catch it on sale. But anyway, she did an amazing job on my hair. I bought the wig off of Love Me Hair. I will link it down below because a lot of y'all was asking about that particular wig, so I will link it down below. I did bleach the knots myself, but she did have to go behind me because I did have like bleach running on the hair. So she just ended up fixing it for me. She plucked it a little more, she curled it, she did a lot. I will try and insert a clip of, you know, how she had the hair looking. So I ended up purchasing these. Oh, okay, y'all, I didn't realize it was $3.50. My daughter, I had to unlock the door, but anyway, teach myself how to apply lace fronts. I'm purchasing these hair bands on Amazon because she applied my wig to my hair, but y'all, killing me. I think it was more so the sizing of the wig because she said the wig was a little too big for me. So told me to use Got To Be Glue and you can take it on and off. So I was like, okay, good, because that wig was just killing me like around here. With that being said, I ended up buying these here elastic lace melting bands for your wigs. What you do is, well, what I did was, because I'm sure y'all probably already know, I'm just new to this and she has been very helpful. So what I did was all cap method on me, and I applied the wig and I sprayed it with Got To Be Glue. So she said you can actually spray the lace. So I rubbed it with like a comb, like the back end of a rectangle comb. Got it to lay like I wanted to. This hair band on the lace, and I sit for a while so the wig can melt into my scalp. And oh my gosh, you all, I thought I was doing sick because it looked so nice, and like, oh my gosh. So now I'm gonna go ahead and probably fix my other wig I have. And then also I saw that she had used something like this, so of course I went on Amazon and ordered I don't know if this is for just edges, but I got this for our edges, like the baby hair, like this here little this here flat iron that grabs edges, and you know, the baby hair part natural, and this will help with laying her edges, because the girl who braided her hair, I think, didn't she use something like this? Huh? Yeah, she used something like this, and she had my daughter edges laying. Okay, so we need one. I'm not a stylist or anything, but like I said, everything here on my channel, I am self-taught when it comes to makeup, hair, or anything. I'm just used to the old wigs you used to put on, and that's it. Like, this new stuff is really different for me, because like I said, I used to put my wig on and I can go. Now it's just so much more to it, so I'm just like, okay, I gotta catch up. I have to catch up, you all. And I haven't caught up as of yet because I'm still learning, so she's been teaching me. Oh, with that being said, I still have this here iced coffee. Yesterday I went to Crumble Cookies for the first time, you all, and they cookies are so cute. I don't know why I got what I got, a half a dozen. I think I got like a half a dozen there, y'all, because I don't need those cookies in my house. But I will probably insert a clip, or if not, I'll leave my Instagram across the screen so you can check that video out. So I must turn the camera around just to show you the mess. Like, y'all my friends, so I can show you the mess, but y'all look at this. My filming equipment, this is my monitor that I use when I'm filming. So yeah, it's a lot going on. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna probably go and play with my my new iPhone. Oh, before I end this here vlog, because I think it's long enough, I did film us going to the pumpkin patch, and I don't know what happened, but for some reason half of the video was recorded in slow motion, and I met a YouTuber friend, and she was sharing her channel, but since it's in slow motion you can't hear anything. So I'm like, damn. So girl, I'm so sorry, I don't know what happened. I did still show her, but you just can't hear what she say. So if I can figure out her social media, I'll try and link it, but I don't think I will because the sound is cut off when it's in slow motion mode. I don't know how I did that, you all. I'm so mad at myself. There's nothing else I need to show you. So down below, you all, let me know if you are getting the new iPhone. So good. It do look like the 12 Pro Max, like it do. That's why I didn't get the 13, because I wanted the phone after the 13, because if I would have got the 13, I wouldn't have got the 14. Like, I just wouldn't, because it's not that big of a difference. But I feel like coming from the 12, I felt like a little upgrade. So again, I will link the information as far as my haul down below. If you live in the Atlanta area and you need a wig installed, and not only do she install wigs, she knows how to make them. Like, yes, on an actual sewing machine. Like, girl is the truth, honey. When I tell you she was measuring my head, I can customize you a wig, and I'm like, okay. I was looking at this particular color. This was already her wig, so I was looking to go maybe this particular color to switch it up. I was like, okay, it'll be nice. Don't forget to smash on that subscribe button, you go. I'm almost at 10,000, y'all. Come on, help your girl get there. If y'all get me to 10,000, I will have enough. If I can get to 10,000, I got you. And when I tell you I got you, I will put together something very, 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 very special for you all if y'all can get me to 10,000 by the end of the year. Now, if it can't happen, yeah, by the end of the year. So if y'all can get me there by the end of the year, I got you. For January, the beginning of the year, I will create a nice Miss Tamika favorites with you all. And let me tell you, Miss Tamika favorites is really nice. Like, you don't know what you may get. So again, you all, please help your girl get to 10,000, and I got you. I promise. Let me promise anything, but I do promise that I will gift you all with something very special. So with that being said, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.